Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this informational video about the School of Awakening. This is a really rare and unique opportunity that we're so excited about as a team and also as a group of friends who'll be involved in this. So if you can, just watch the video to the very end so we can share with you what this school's about, who it's for, the cost, and also what you'll receive out of this school. So basically, where the school came from is from the idea and from the true revelation that right now we're in harvest season in the earth. No one can deny it. People are jumping in the boat called Jesus so fast. Many people are turning to him both in one-on-one circumstance, but also in the masses. And we felt in our heart this burden cannot rest on just the shoulders of a few ministries who do large events, and many people are called around the world, probably like yourself watching, to do large events for Jesus Christ. So we felt in our heart, myself, Jean-Luc Traxel, Paul Manwaring, Daniel Klender, Daniel Hagen, our Awakening Europe team, and many others felt that we really need to open the books in a sense and show you our heart and show you all the ins and outs of how to put on large events and stadium events for Jesus. We recognize that you're going to need tools, like learn how to hire a stadium, stuff like that, stuff that I wish I had have known when we started trekking into this 3 years ago. It would have helped us immensely as a team. And we really want to give you our experience, even though ours is only a few years old, but we've got Daniel Klender and others like that who've been preaching the gospel and doing these things for a long time. But we want to give you all the tools on how we do mass outreaches, how we liaise with pastors, get them on board for the vision, how we work with different denominations, set up financial accounts, all sorts of stuff so that you walk away from this school fully equipped and you know, I could go and do a large stadium event and contend for a city to come to Jesus. So that's really what it's about, and we just really want to encourage you and pour our fire on you. Now, who this is particularly for people who sense that in their life, God has shown them this vision is for them. Like maybe in their prayer time or something, they've seen a vision of them speaking before the masses and also equipping other evangelists into the harvest. That you've seen that in your heart and in your spirit, and you sense, that is me. I know I'm called to this, and you want the practical tools of how to actually walk that out. I was in a church one time and I asked the church, quite a large church, I said, how many of you here have had a vision like that where you've seen yourself speaking in front of crowds or reaching a large amount of people for Jesus? And to my amazement, many people put their hand up, close to 100 I'd say. And so I said, okay, keep your hand up if you've actually fulfilled that vision or seen it come to pass in your life. Only 3 people kept their hand up in the air. 97 or so of them put their hand down, and I wondered why. I was like, why would so many people be called of God to do these things, but only 3 of them, a very small percentage, would be actually doing it? And I recognized it was simply because of a few factors. Maybe it was their unwillingness, I'm not sure, but I knew one of the main factors was maybe they didn't know where to start and they just simply didn't have the knowledge of how to do these things. So it's the stuff that we wish we had have known. We're going to be giving it to you, but it's only for people that really feel that calling as an evangelist, both to reach the masses, to reach one-on-ones, but also to equip other evangelists in the harvest. That's who this school's for. Now, this school is by application and invitation only, which means you can't just rock up. It's only by application and invitation, which means there's only 150 spots. And last night when we launched this school already, most of those spots are already gone by application if we were to say yes to everybody right away. But we're not saying yes right away. There's a period of time right now, so we encourage you to apply soon, where we're praying over all of these applications and saying, God, who should be at this one? And we want to hear your heart in that application. So if that's you, please apply as fast as you can. And now the cost of the event, it will be here in Germany, January 24th to 26th. In Lörrach, in a church that we're a part of, an amazing church. They've given us the whole building so that we can be with you, kind of locked in a room, so to speak, where you can ask as many questions as you want, where we get together, where we train, encourage one another, and we really get this thing down and deep in that 3 days time. It'll be here in Germany in that time, and also you'll be able to stay in this city with us and also meet at nights and stuff with all different leaders from around Europe. Now, heaps of people are applying, not from just around Europe, but from around the world. We've had people from America, Australia, Canada just apply yesterday. So there's many people coming from all around the globe to be trained in how to do this, which is so exciting for us. The cost of it is €380 for 3 days, which we feel amazing about. We know other schools like this. There's around 2 or 3 of them in the world that do this kind of thing. And so they're very rare. And those schools are usually around $2,000 per school for 3 days. Now, I'm not against that. I think that's a fine price because I see the value and I see the worth in it all. But we really prayed and we feel that it's good to have it at 380 euros, which means everyone can come. And if there is one or two of you that feel, look, I really can't get that kind of cost, that 380 euro, I can't raise that. We could even talk maybe about sponsoring you to come to the school. We're open to that. But personally, my belief is if you apply and you get accepted, that God will pay. That's nothing for the Lord. He will invest in your future to do mass outreaches and large stadium events to see masses come to Jesus Christ. He'll invest in that. And I believe that you'll receive that easily. But if you don't, again, feel free to email us and share your heart with us on why you need some help in that. And we'll look at ways we can help and sponsor you in. So yeah, basically, those are the three things I wanted to share. Now, get cracking, get in there, send your application and let us know who you are, what you're about, and what you sense your future and calling is, because we would really love to invest in you. Our dream is that we would see in a nation at one time, stadiums filled across the whole nation. Can you imagine that? Like in whole different areas of the country, major cities, that whole nation would be just covered, shrouded with the goodness of God and the gospel being spread all across the country. The people of the nation would have to take notice of what God is doing and the stadiums would be filled. Our dream is that we would see that happen through many, many different people. It wouldn't just be on a few ministry shoulders, but there'd be 10,000 evangelists around the world doing this kind of thing and just reaching masses for the King. That would be so, so wonderful. So we'd encourage you to apply. Go to school.awakeningeurope.com to check out more details, and we cannot wait to hear from you. We're going to be praying over each and every individual, men and women. And by the way, we really love women evangelists too, so we want to help raise them up. So if you're a female evangelist, please apply for this school. We would love to raise you up as well. We really feel from the Holy Spirit it's time to champion the female evangelist to be doing this thing also. But yeah, we'll see you there soon, and we hope to hear the fire of the gospel spreading all across the world through your life. God bless you.